6 consecutive even integers have a sum of 150. What is the sum of the least? Ben.
50.
That is the correct answer. 2-0, Ben.
Well, 6 consecutive even integers have a sum of 150. What is the sum of the least, the smallest, and the greatest, that is the larger one, of the 6 integers? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Remember what an even number is, a number which is divisible by 2, but we're talking about integers. So let's assume the smallest even integer is 2. Then the next one should be 4, 6, 8, 10. You understand? So we're talking about 6 of them. So since we don't know the least of them, let us declare it with x. So if the first one is x, what will be the second one? Because we are talking about consecutive, thus that follow each other accordingly. So the next one will be x plus 2. Just keep on adding 2. X plus 4. X plus 6. X plus 8. Let me count because there are 6, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We still have 1. So x plus 10. Everything here must be 150. Let us collect the like times. How many x's do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 x's. And the numbers, 4 and 6 will give us what? 10, right? 2 and 8 will give us another 10, that is 20. Plus this 10 will give us 30. This is equal to 150. Remember, this is a quiz, so I may employ the idea of mental math. If you take this one to the other side, it becomes negative. 150 minus 30, that will give us 120. So 6x will be equal to 120. And if you divide both sides by 6, 6 can divide 12 exactly 2 times. We have 0. Therefore, x is equal to 20. If x is equal to 20, what is the sum of the least and the greatest? This is the least and this is the greatest, right? So we are asked to find the sum of x plus 10. That is exactly what we are asked to find. We know that x is 20, so we have 20, 20, 40, 50. So this is 20 plus 20 plus 10 because x is equal to 20, right? So this is 50. Therefore, the final answer is 50. As simple as that.